Go to the same page, which is page number 495. We're going to take a look at, no, that's the video. That's me trying to click on the video. Here we go. If we can go to number 15 on this page. What the? Times period is number?
103.
107, got it. Okay. I'm going to scroll down. Do I have it on here? Oh, maybe we're not doing that. Let's go to our next page. Oh, here we go. Can we scroll down to number 15? Number the next page. This is number 15. There's one magic word in this question, which lets me know, Josh, what I'm going to do for the problem. It's number 15. There's a magic word in here.
Is it the grand table?
That's not the magic word. It's a good word, but that's not the magic word.
Values. Table. A. The.
Tell me
Keep
to
going. Keep going.
Estimate. Where? Oh.
Estimate.
I said give her her desk back.
Yep.
I can't sit anywhere else.
She can't see anyone else. I know that too. Josh sees estimate. It's estimate to estimate instantaneous slope.
Yes.
But to estimate something, I'm just going to find the acronym. Not fab fibba. Fibaba. And Josh, what 2 points should I use?
What point are you trying to?
I'm trying to estimate 2.1.
2.1. So I say you should use 2.0 and 2.2.
Josh feels I should use these points right here. But Josh, why don't I just use? But Josh, I can do it right here. Here's 2.1.
No.
No?
The first arrow.
Why not that one?
Because I said no.
I agree with you, but I'd like a little more reasoning than just Josh said so.
Because that's the f of x thingy, and you're supposed to use x.
Correct. We have to use the x values. We're going to sub them on in there. So we're going to do 2.2 minus 2.0 over 1.73 minus 1.39. Now we have no calculator for this part.
Oh no!
Let's see if we can do the bottom. 2.2 minus 2.0 is 0.2.
Does anyone remember how to do like the carry the one thing?
So now I'm just going to count up by counting. I'm going from 39 up to 73. 39, 49, 59, 69. Now I got to go up to 73. 70, 71, 72, 73. 0.34. I believe the correct answer is 0.34 over 0.2. Right?
Yeah.
Now what is Josh going to do once he got that 0.34?
Pick that answer right there.
He's choosing answer A. They know they dropped that little trap right on the plate for him. So I'm going to figure this out without a calculator. I'm going to move the decimals till I have whole numbers on the bottom. How many scoochie magoos did I move it?
One scoochie magoo.
So this is the same as 3.4 over 2. Which answer do you think that is? See, I want to get one of these answers here. So I'm moving it over so I can figure out what it actually should be. So you can always move decimals on any fraction. Whatever you do on the bottom, you have to do on the top. So what's half of 3.4?
1.7.
I hear 1.7. I agree with him. Because what's half of 3? 1.5. Half of 0.4 is 2 more. Caitlin is correct. 1.7 is our answer for that one right there. Okay, the next problem is number 21 on the next pagina.
Next pagina?
There it is, 21. If f prime of x equals 2, f of x, and f of 2 equals 1, then f of x equals what? What two things are they relating? They're relating a function and its derivative. So they're probably want me to take the derivative of it. But if I put 2 into the function, I get back 1. This is a problem that I would eliminate options. Let's take 1 and put it into the function and see what we get. Okay, Josh, put in 2 into here. What do you get, Josh? You can look there on the paper in front of you. You don't have to look up here. Put in 2.
E to the 4 minus 4, that's 1.
E to the 4 minus 4 is e to the 0, so that's 1. So that's a possibility. Let's try the next one. So I get e to the 4 plus 1 minus e to the 4. Oh, guess what that one is? That one's also 1. E to the 4 minus 4?
That's also 1.
1. E to the 4 minus 4? Oh.
That's 16.
So that last piece of information was a waste of time. Was a waste of time.
One more choice. Or do I?
No, You have the old one because on the old AP there were 5 choices. Now there's just on mostly just 4. Just 4. And guessing is encouraged. Guess at everything.
Oh wait, the way it's
So now what I have to do, I have to take the derivative of each of these. So let's see what we can do. Beyond, can we take the derivative of this first one? What's the derivative of e to the something?
E to the something times the derivative of the something, so that'd be 2.
And what condition are we looking for? We want the derivative to be twice the original. Here's the derivative we just took.
Oh.
Is that twice the original question?
Yeah.
That's the correct answer. A is the correct answer. But Emily says that seemed way too easy.
Yeah.
I agree with you. It's right because we got a right answer. When you get an answer, go with it. But let's just test one other one just to see. Let's go. What's the derivative of e to the something right here? Also e to the something times the derivative of the inside, which is
Negative 2.
negative. So that one didn't work. So we would just make sure that they all didn't work, so we wouldn't
Have another go.
have a problem there. Okay, we are going to do a long problem.
Great.
A long problem. It's number 23. It is on the next pagina. That's page, by the way. There's my marker again. Look, it's still there. Yes. Yep. Okay, the curve x cubed plus x tan y equals 27 passes through the point 3, 0. Use the tangent line there to estimate, Josh.
Yes.
So it's asking me for a tangent line. Josh, you know the equation for a tangent line?
Shoot, hold on. Is this the line?
Line equals,
X C, or X minus C. Oh, F of C.
close.
Or F prime of C.
Yep,
X minus C
that would be your cross-country team.
plus F C.
Let's see. And I'm just going to make a quick note on here. Why am I writing green? I chose green. Depending on how the question is given to you, just so you know, this right here is whatever x value they give you.
Yes.
This thing right here is whatever y value they give you. And this sucker right here is the slope. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So now we've got to go and get those pieces we need. In order to work this problem,
Yeah.
I need to take the derivative of that equation that's there.
That's a thick one.
It is. That's why I said this one's long. This wouldn't be a thick line.
Uh-oh, I see a product rule.
Yeah, she does see a product rule.
Oh, no.
So let's start easy. Let's take the derivative of x cubed.
3x squared.
Oh, Emily knows when they ask you something like that, they start nice and easy, they're going to get super annoying on us coming
how
up.
does that work?
How does what work?
If you have a product rule like inside the thing, like,
Doesn't matter. Product rule, u prime v plus uv prime.
you just slap it on?
That's
Does 3x
yeah.
squared go anywhere else? Or
No, it's a separate term.
Okay.
So that's our u and that's our v. So u prime is 1, v is tangent y, plus u prime, derivative of x is 1,
Secants.
and the derivative of tangent y is secant squared y times y prime, because the y is not by itself. And then Josh,
Wait, aren't we missing an x?
no, yes,
Equals nothing.
u prime v plus u, that's a creamer. That's a creamer, somebody throw the creamer that's in there.
I think that sounds too much.
Right? I mean, I can't believe you guys ate your way through 2 dozen donuts without the rest of the class here. That's the part that
Wait, is
amazes
that
me.
actually 2 dozen donuts?
Yep. Good job, Josh. You're even I would know from the video. We're recording ourselves, by the way, in case you're wondering, Sarah. We didn't mention that part to Sarah. It's recording on the thing. Equals 0. Okay, Josh. First of all, did they give me an x value?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so nice of them.
Wow.
X minus, what's the x value? 3.
3.
Did they give me a y value?
0.
They did. That's very nice of them. So now I need to find the slope. I'm going to fill the information for the slope into this equation, which Maddie says looks way too long, and I agree with her.
Are we doing 24? Can I right, okay.
No, we're not going to do 24. To find the slope, I got to fill in that x and the y value. So fill in 3 for x into here. What do we get?
9 times 3, 27.
27. Okay, now let's fill in the 0 in for y into here. Ah!
0.
0.
I remembered that.
Plus
Thinking about it.
secant squared y and x. Now, right now, if you didn't have it in front of you, you could pull out your little chart, your little unit circle. Which function is the flip of secant?
Tangent.
No, that's for derivatives.
Cosine.
He's actually right on that. Cosine is the flip of it right there.
Oh, yeah.
So what's the
squared?
what's the cosine of 0?
0. 1.
One.
Sorry.
1. Take the flip of that and you get secant.
Negative 1.
Still 1. No, Josh. If you take 1 and flip it, it's still 1.
1 over 1.
1 squared.
1.
So this thing is 1. This thing is 3. And like I said, this is longer than a multiple choice problem would be. They're just doing it to make us work. 3y prime equals 0. Can I figure out what y prime is now?
Yes, y prime equals -9.
Y prime equals -9. How'd she do that? She subtracted 27 from each side, and then divided that by 3, and got -9. So that's my equation for the line. L equals -9, x minus 3, but that's not what they want, do they? What do they want me to do?
The value at x equals
They want me to use that line to find the value at x equals 3.1. And I have no calculator. Hopefully they won't make that math hard. Put 3.1 into here. What's 3.1 minus 3?
0.1.
0.1 times -9?
Negative 0.9.
-0.9. It's there. Once again, this problem longer than a multiple choice would be, but everything you would ever have to do with a local linear line is in that
-9.
question.